Hey Cougs, happy Thanksgiving. I'm Alicia and I hope you've had a successful semester. Now let's see what events we have in store for you this week. Some of your favorite UH organizations have partnered together for a clothing and food drive. Today, November 23rd, is the last day to drop off donations such as canned goods, non-perishable items, clothing, toiletries, socks, blankets, and more from 12 to 4 p.m. at the Student Center South. Finish the semester with a successful bang. Today at 10 a.m., UH Launch presents Time Management for Finals, a workshop that will leave you prepped for your finals. It will take place on Microsoft Teams. You won't be disappointed. The campus bookstore is having an online sale from November 25th through November 30th, titled The More the Merrier. It is a tiered offer, 20% off one, 25% off two, and 30% off 3 or more clothing accessories, gifts, and collectible items, plus free shipping. Use the promo code SAVEMORE. Okay, Cougs, it's been great keeping you in the loop this semester. That's a wrap for me. Tune in next week as Layla will be wrapping up the season. I'll catch y'all next semester. Please make sure to wear your mask and maintain social distance. Have a safe and happy holiday, and always remember to stay in the loop.